Republic, please be deserted.
Amen.
Amen.
Again, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
We're good.
Okay, but before that, now let's first have our classroom and read our classroom rules.
Raise your hand. Stay on task. Respect yourself. Always be a friend. Show respect to others. Think before you act. Always use kind words.
Now let's go on to our review. Okay, who can remember our last topic? Okay, Badir.
Our last topic is all about pictograph.
Very good. Anyone who can give an example of a title of pictograph? Christian.
And that's our numbers of different pages.
Okay, very good. Now, we'll be having a situation here. So, girls, can you read?
Ivan loves to help pick pineapples from their family's farm. Every day he picks pineapples. Let us help him count how many pineapples he gathers for 1 week.
Let's count how many pineapples Ivan gathered in 1 week. Okay, Sunday. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so there are 12 pineapples. And how about in Monday?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, there are 10. How about in Tuesday class?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.
So there are 9 pineapples. How about in Wednesday?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, there are 11 pineapples. In Thursday class?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, very good. There are 15 pineapples. How about in Friday?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, there are 20 pineapples. Okay, the last one is Saturday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Okay, there are 8.
Yan na, oy.
Okay, the question is, okay, number 1, what is the table all about? Okay, Ella.
The table, teacher, is all about number of pineapples gathered by Ivan for 1 week.
Okay, very good. What day did he gather the least number of pineapples? Okay, Faye.
On Tuesday, sir.
Okay, very good. How about number 3? What is the greatest number of pineapples he gathered in a day? Palo.
Friday.
Okay, Friday. Number 4, how many more pineapples did he gather on Sunday than on Monday? Ilang kabuok ang pineapples na naluga?
2. This is so hard.
Okay, correct. 2 pineapples. And number 5, what is the difference between the number of pineapples he collected on Thursday and Wednesday?
4. 4 is different. Teacher.
Okay, Ella.
Pag-abot sa teacher, pag-abot sa Thursday teacher, kinadagdagan og 4 ka pineapples kung i-compare ang Thursday ug Wednesday teacher.
Okay, very good. Now, do you have any idea what will be our topic this afternoon? Okay, Finey? Do you have an idea? What will be our topic this afternoon?
Hindi talaga din.
For your idea, teacher.
I think our topic today is all about data collection and representation of data.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, class, kindly read our learning tips.
Collect.
Sige, go.
Collect.
Learning objectives. Sige, una.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Learning objectives. Collect and organize data in table. And read and interpret in a frequency table.
Okay. So now this is the example of the data collection and representation in tables. Okay. Boys, kindly read the data.
Data is information, especially facts
Or numbers collected to be examined and considered. The data above can be presented in a table.
A table is made up.
Okay, girls, kindly read the table.
A table is made up of columns and rows, which is used to make presentation of data or information clearer, more organized, and more attractive.
Okay, now this is the example of frequency table for the collected data and the preliminary activity. So, like days, natin tally and night frequency. And days, Sundays, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, now, let's move on to our activity. Okay, again, class, kindly read everyone.
Mark conducted a survey.
Chronological.
Mark conducted
A survey among his classmates to find out how they get to school from home. The results are presented below.
Now, who can answer number 1? YBL. Anyone? Ella. And frequency. Who can answer?
Ay, kulang yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, Valir, can you answer the frequency?
Ay, parang frequency.
Okay.
Isa to, sir? Riding a bicycle, balik mo. Walking, 1, 2.
Oh, pagit ko.
Sige na. Really?
Riding a bicycle.
Basta ako, ang riding a bicycle, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Teacher, ako riding on a tricycle.
Frequency, wala yung answer.
Frequency? Or just 7?
Okay, 7. Teacher.
Okay, how about a number 2? Who can answer? And number 2 tally. Okay, Billion. Okay, how about in frequency? Who can answer? Okay, Tiny. Okay, very good. In number 3, who can answer? No, the tally number 3, riding on a tricycle. How many students, number of students who go to school no, from home by riding a tricycle? Okay, Francis?
4.
Ayaw naman yung wala sa iyo.
Sige, answer ko, sir. Hindi ka ba naman 40,000?
Uy, 5 man. 4. 5.
Kung buta.
1, 2, 4. 4 tricycle naman. 3. 4.
Paano yung time ate?
May nakikita ka ba? Hindi na.
Okay, very good. How about in frequency? Who can answer? Technician. Okay, on number 4, who can answer? The number 4 tally and frequency.
Sige na, bigyan.
Okay, Papalo.
Ikaw ate. No, kayo. Yung picture, once and once na daw. Yeah, those are my picture. Wow!
Okay, very good. Now, I have a question. Okay, number 1. How many of his classmates answered the survey? Okay, how many class? The total number of students.
5, 7, 4, 8, 11.
Okay, Bian.
18, teacher?
Okay, very good. So there are 18 students no, who answered the survey. Okay, number 2. What is the most common means of going to school from home? Okay, Ella.
Walking teacher.
Okay, very good. Walking. Number 3. How many of his classmates go to school from home by walking? Okay.
Seven
Listen.
teacher.
Okay, very good. Number 4. How many of his classmates go to school from home by riding a bicycle? Okay, I mean.
5, teacher.
Okay, very good. Number 5. How many of his classmates go to school from home by riding a tricycle? Okay, Julia.
4 teacher.
Okay, very good. And last number, or what one? Okay, how many students riding a jeepney? Okay, Ella.
2 teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, now, kindly read everyone.
Imagine that you are the canteen manager in our school and you want to know what healthy snack is the best for the learners.
Okay.
What is the best for you to do? Imagine that you conducted a survey in grade 4 class to determine the best healthy snack for them. How are you going to do, organize, and present the data you gathered?
Okay, kindly read everyone.
Let's have a survey in your class. Which of the following healthy snacks you want the most?
Okay, first, fried banana rolls or turon. Okay, second, macaroni soup or sopas, and last one is rice porridge or arroz caldo. Okay, now, kindly raise your hands now if you are in favor and fried banana rolls.
Lord, what was yung macaroni?
Okay, everyone. Okay, there are 4 who are in favor and fried banana rolls. Now, who can answer? And number 1. So there are 4. Okay, Ella. Okay, now who are in favor of macaroni soup or sopas? Okay, isa lang po. There is 1. Okay. How about arroz caldo? Okay, there are 5. Who can answer?
Chicken.
6 rather. Who can answer? Okay, very good. Now, how do we collect data? Okay, class, how do we collect data? Who can answer? Okay, Lapine. Ampalo. Okay, Dian.
Through survey teacher.
Okay, through survey. Another idea? How do we collect data? Okay, Julian. How do we collect data? Since we are discussing about survey or surveying of number of students.
By counting the participant teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay. So number 2, how do we record and organize data? Okay, Ella.
Ang first step, teacher, is you have to ask the students or your respondents. Then after teacher, you have to tally their answers.
First, mag-make ka of
Survey.
Ah.
Question.
table.
table.
Okay.
Tapos, after step 2, you have to ask the respondents sa ilang answers. After kay itali niyo ang ilang mga answers, tapos from tally, teacher, ibutang nimo siya og by number sa frequency, tapos i-add nimo ang tanan para makuha nimo ang total na number sa inyong respondents.
Okay, very good. So, muna ang way na mag-collect ang data. So, this is the example of gathering or data collection or in our representation of tables. So, na siya title and kaning days and number of pineapples gathered, muna siya ang tinatawag header column. And muna siya ang column and okay, now we'll be having a group activity and my group dynamics I will divide you into three groups. So what you're going to do is you're just going to gather the data of your classmates, what is their favorite pastime in group 1, and the group 2 what are their favorite movies, and group 3 what are their favorite books. Okay. Again, thank you for listening, everyone.